Never let situations around you ever weigh you down. Whatever you want to do, make you start to do. Never give up, never say never, just keep on believing. Frustrations all around the place, so many hustle and tussling without no pay, and everybody working hard just to get paid, but it no easy. I know so many broken homes, so many lost jobs, many unemployed, so many graduates, and everybody on the streets, then just the holla, holla, holla. Hey, I want you to know that what you experiencing is just for a time. They'll soon pass away. Just take a step, believe in God, believe in yourself that you can do it. Never say never, not turn by turn now, now my turn now. One day, you go better. Hey, hey, hey. One day, you go better. I remain unstoppable. One day, you go better. Yeah. So many people don't promise and fail you. So many people don't even say you know fit. So many people don't look down on you, and so many people don't even discourage you. But see, no matter what you're facing, always remember, say the future is waiting. I know you got goals, I know you got plans, I know you got purpose for me in life. I'll stay focused, I'll keep working. No matter what I see, I'll remain so strong, so strong. Okay, take it slowly. Oh mama, lock on you. Just take a step and believe in no time to reach your turn. One day, you go better. For sure, she's it. One day, you go better. For sure, she's it. 'Cause I know I'm going to the top. No matter what, I remain unstoppable. One day, you go better. You go better. You go better. You go better for you, for me. You go better for you, for me. Just believe it. Say, just believe it. You go better for you, for me. You go better for you. You go better for me. Just believe it. Just believe it. Okay, keep walking, no stopping. Keep walking, no stopping. One day, you go better. Shots to be nani. Trash down on the beat. You go better. You go better. You go better. Oh my God, don't give up, man. Don't give up, man. One day, just keep walking and believe in God. Fight to the end, man. No time to waste, too, I beg.